Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums. We'll be comparing the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. These two powerful cleaning machines are packed with features to make your cleaning experience seamless. So let's dive right in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to suction power, both the Roborock Q7 Max and the S8 Pro Ultra excel. The Q7 Max boasts an incredible maximum suction power of 4,200 pascals, allowing it to easily lift debris, pet hair, and dirt from various surfaces. On the other hand, the S8 Pro Ultra takes it up a notch with an even more powerful 6,000 pascals suction, ensuring a thorough clean on hard floors and carpets. With both models, you can expect exceptional cleaning performance. If you're looking for a robotic vacuum that can also mop your floors, both the Q7 Max and the S8 Pro Ultra have got you covered. The Q7 Max offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping capabilities, thanks to its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels. This allows you to customize the cleaning process to match your floor types and preferences. Similarly, the S8 Pro Ultra features an all-in-one docking system that automatically completes the mop washing and drying process. It even has a large dust bag for up to 7 weeks of dust storage. So whether you prefer vacuuming and mopping at the same time or a more automated approach, both models have you covered. When it comes to navigation and mapping, both the Q7 Max and the S8 Pro Ultra offer advanced features. The Q7 Max utilizes PreciSense Lidar navigation, which accurately maps your home in 3D, allowing for efficient cleaning routes. You can even virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. Similarly, the S8 Pro Ultra combines lidar navigation, 3D mapping, and 3D structured light technology to generate detailed maps for more accurate and customized cleaning. With both models, you can trust that your robotic vacuum will navigate your home with precision. Efficiency is key when it comes to cleaning, and both the Q7 Max and the S8 Pro Ultra deliver. The Q7 Max features a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles, making it ideal for long hair and pet hair. Its design allows for deeper and more efficient cleaning. On the other hand, the S8 Pro Ultra comes with a dual rubber brush system for a cleaner effect in one go, reducing hair tangles. With its upgraded Viborize 2.0 mopping system, it provides a wider mopping zone and consistent mopping pressure for deep and effective cleaning. Whether it's tackling long hair or stubborn stains, both models have the cleaning efficiency you need. When it comes to battery life, both the Q7 Max and the S8 Pro Ultra offer impressive run times. The Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its specially designed battery. This allows for a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet. Similarly, the S8 Pro Ultra provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, giving you enough power to tackle most homes. Both models ensure long-lasting cleaning performance. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max has received positive feedback for its performance and mapping capabilities. Reviewers have praised its suction power and ability to handle pet hair. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra has been praised for its thorough cleaning and automated mopping features. Users have found its navigation and mapping to be accurate and customizable. Overall, both models have received favorable reviews and offer unique features to meet different cleaning needs. And there you have it, a comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. Both models offer powerful suction, vacuuming and mopping capabilities, advanced navigation and mapping, efficient cleaning, and long-lasting battery life. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.